Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look. You see it's working and the effects are kind of awkward, but it's also nice. So let's see how we can create them. The first thing is that you need to create these shapes. And you see the problem when we want to comb them like this, the problem happened. But the thing is that there is not a good way to fix that. I don't know if there is a way, but if there is, I will be more than happy to understand. At first, we need to create this shape. This shape, it text is created by using Overdrive Sunset as a font. And this effect, I'm not into it. It's kind of awkward. Let's go with something more manual like this. Then you need to add the shape from here. Let me find it. I think it's going to be somewhere here. Okay, I quit. It's harder than I think. Finding a shape. Oh, here, I found it. Then hold the shift. You see the shape is created. And then two other shapes like this and the text are created. But after you creating this slide, you copy this slide. And here in the first slide, you just reduced it from here to here. And you bring these two out and this out. And do the same thing for all the slides to create the effect. Now let's take a look. This is a lot of animations, nothing special, but if you have a question or want, I have the complete creation of this video in my channel. You can find it and use it as your work. Okay, I hope you like it. Have a nice time.